Wow, amazing day mga partners! Okay, so welcome po sa online presentation natin ng Wow Life Essentials Health and Wealth Program. No? So, tonight discuss po natin yung revamp Wow Life Essentials program natin. Okay, so yung mga changes, so nandito na po lahat. So hopefully, tapusin po natin yung presentation. And what you can also do is sa mga prospects nyo, you just have to send this presentation to them na lang, no? So this presentation will also be explaining, no, yung tungkol sa products natin at saka sa mismong program natin. So madali na lang, so din mo na kailangan na mag-explain pa, just let this video explain itself. Okay, so yan, to start po tayo. Okay, my name is Doven. The Sales and Marketing Director ng Wow Life Essentials. Okay, so bago po tayo mag-start, disclaimer lang. Wow Life Essentials emphasizes that individual outcomes may vary based on personal effort, commitment, and dedication. So we do not guarantee specific incomes or results. Any income projections or testimonials provided should not be construed as guarantees or promise of actual earnings of profits. So depende po talaga dito yung earnings natin based on personal, yung sa person and also sa team natin. Okay, so hindi po tayo investment, no? This is actually based on sales of products. Okay, so klaro po tayo dyan. Now, this is Mr. Daniel Tong and his wife, Ma'am Laling Tong. Okay, sila po talaga yung nag-start nito, and I just help them with the marketing plan of this program, no? Yan. So, si Sir Dan is actually Singaporean, kaya registered po tayo sa Singapore. At the same time, registered po din tayo sa Philippines, no? So, we have the Singapore Business Certification, SEC Business SEC registration. We also have the US FDA and the Philippine FDA as well. And meron din po tayong awards, okay? And yung company mission and vision natin is very simple, no? To become a trusted global leader in health and beauty industry. Okay, ma-recognize for our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, and of course provide high quality health and beauty products that can enhance wellness and confidence in our customers. At the same time, makatulong po tayo sa mga members natin to earn income, no, while sharing benefiting from the products and sharing it as well. Okay? Yan. So, tatlong products po talaga yung kinikerry natin. Okay? 3 products. We have the Dear Placenta Stem Cell Gummies. Okay, so etong Dear Placenta, no, very sikat ito ngayon, and I believe we have the most affordable Dear Placenta in the market today. In a nutshell, no, ang ano bang gamit ng Dear Placenta Stem Cell Gummies? Can actually boost our immune system, can reverse aging, helps in the cells rejuvenation, improve insomnia, no. Isa po talaga sa number one feedback ng mga nakatry po ng Dear Placenta Gummies natin is maganda yung tulog nila. Okay? Yan. So, if you want to have a deep sleep, ito po talaga maganda doon, no? And it can also be a very good antioxidant, very beneficial for chronic diseases as well. So, each gummy nito contains 300 mg of premium Dear Placenta along with 11 powerful super plant extracts and essential oils, no? So together they work synergistically to promote optimal health and provide essential supplementation para sa body natin. Kaya maganda po talaga siya, no? So yung laman niya, yung Dear Placenta, okay, can actually support yung cell regeneration, yung sinasabi ko nga, youthful skin, and enhances overall vitality. Meron din siyang grapeseed extract, okay, very good antioxidant. Of course, it promotes healthy circulation and supports cardiovascular health, no? Dendrobium extract, maganda naman po siya sa energy, boost energy levels, no? Mental clarity and supports hydration. Aloe vera naman suits and hydrates the skin, no? Support digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. So maganda po talaga siya. Yung marine collagen extract naman, it can improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and supports joint health. Fucoidan extract can actually support immune functions. Maganda din siya sa anti-inflammatory properties and sa digestion. Evening primrose oil can support hormonal balance, enhances skin health, and reduces inflammation din. Avocado oil, rich in vitamins and healthy fats, supports skin hydration and promotes heart health. Squalene provides intense moisturization, supports yung skin repair and has antioxidant properties as well. Borage oil, it can promote skin health, supports joint function, and has anti-inflammatory effects. Ang lycopene oil naman, it has powerful antioxidant that supports skin protection and promotes heart health. Vitamin E, of course, maka-provide ng antioxidant protection yan, and support yung skin health and enhances immune functions din. So yun po yung laman ng Dear Placenta natin. Napakaganda po ng laman dyan. So it's very effective din sa health, no? So yung pangalawa is the Wow Glow. No, ito po ay 3-in-1 na product. So ang laman nito is glutathione, collagen, and vitamin C. So it enhance the skin health, anti-aging effect, improve the skin tone and texture, of course, boost the immune functions, no? Ang increased detoxification and whitening of the skin. So maganda po yan, meron ng gluta, collagen, and vitamin C as well. So ang isang box niyan, 2 tubes. Okay? So you only take 1 tablet, no? Effervescent type po siya. So isang tablet, ilagay mo siya sa isang basong tubig, at yan, after that inumin mo. Okay? So yung last but not the least product natin, pangatlo, is the Quantum Shield, no? So unique naman to siyang Quantum Shield natin. Okay, wait. So itong Quantum Shield is actually gamagamit ng cutting edge technology, no, to neutralize harmful radiation emitted by electronic devices. So it's ensuring that you stay safe in an increasingly digital world, no. So gamit niya provides 24/7 protection, no. It can shield you and your loved ones, especially sa mga kids. Okay, so very effective to, no, to protect you from the harmful effects ng radiation ng mga gadgets, no. So it actually it's a small circular chip, no, that made of unique combination of minerals, and meron po siyang 2,000 plus negative ions that can absorb and neutralize yung electromagnetic waves, no, and heat emitted yung by the mobile phones natin, no. So makaprotect po siya ng ears, brain, and body from the harmful effects caused by heat and radiation emitted by our mobile electronic devices, especially sa mga kids, 'di ba? Kasi nga uso na ngayon yung mga bata, 'di ba, may mga cellphones na. So 'di ba, hindi natin yung talagang bad effect ng radiation ng cellphone sa mga kids kasi nga hindi pa sila fully developed. Okay, so by placing quantum shield sa mga phones natin, sa mga gadgets, it can help with the protection. Okay, so maganda yan, no? Ito isa sa products talaga na pinupush ko rin, lalo na sa may mga bata sa bahay. Okay, or even sa mga grown-ups na rin. Yan, so yun po yung 3 products natin. Ngayon, sa revamp program natin, we only have 1 and 3 package. And ito po yung Wow Trial Pack. So, yung 3 products natin nandito na. So, this Wow Trial Pack is actually just 1,500 pesos. Complete po siya na in 15 days ma-experience mo yung Wow Health natin, no. So, it comes with 1 bottle of Dear Placenta, 15 pieces kasi yung laman doon, and 1 tube of Wow Glow, 15 pieces din. And yeah, of course yung sa Quantum Shield, isang Quantum Shield, no, para sa gadget mo, one of your gadgets. So you have this Wow Trial Pack for only 1,500 pesos. So you will have a taste of the 3 na for 15 days. So napakasulit na nito. Okay, so sa earnings naman, no, of course we have the direct referral bonus. Ang maganda nito with the new trial pack, no, pag naka-refer ka ng trial pack natin, meron ka agad 500 pesos. Yeah, so 1.5 yung trial pack, 500 agad yung direct referral bonus mo. So ang sulit, di ba? So kahit na magkape ka, no, may pangkape ka na, may pang snacks pa, no, 500 pesos din yan. So pwede mo na siyang damihan yung mga referrals mo kasi 500 ng 500 yon. Okay, may kasama pa yung uni-level bonus, no. So from the second level, okay, ito yung mga directs ng mga directs mo, third level, fourth level, and fifth level, meron kang pa rin 50 pesos per level dyan. So kahit hindi na ikaw yung invite, you will still be earning from invites ng invites mo. Okay, so 6th and 7th level naman, 30 pesos per level yan. Although maliit siya, pero syempre marami na yung tao, so malaki yung kikitain mo dyan. Later papakita ko yung projection nito, magkano yung pwede mong kitain with a certain level, no, ang mga tao na papasok. 8 to 10th level naman, meron po 20 pesos per level. So hanggang 10th level, meron po tayong kita sa unilevel bonus natin. Okay? So as a member naman, pag member ka ng WOW, yung trial pack, okay? So starting po ng December 1, 2025, okay, yung Dear Placenta Gummies natin will be back on the regular price na 1,500 yung SRP. Okay, kasi na explain ko lang sa previous kasi naging promo ito, no? Nag-promo tayo, naging 1,000 pesos yan. So ngayon balik na siya sa regular na 1,500, no, by December. So itong Wow Glow is one box is also 1,500, dalawang tubes po yung laman. And the Quantum Shield is 300 pesos. Yan po yung SRP natin. So pag trial pack member ka, 50% off. Okay, 50% ng SRP. So pag member ka, 750 na lang yung placenta, 750 din yung Wow Glow, dalawang tubes. And yung Quantum Shield is 150 na lang. Pag Barangay Mobile Stockist ka naman or BMS, no, may cut pa siya na 50 pesos, so 700 na lang siya for their placenta and Wow Glow. And sa Quantum Shield 140. Pag City Mobile Stockist ka naman or CMS, may 50 pesos din na discount for the placenta and Wow Glow, so 650 and 650 na lang yan. And 130 naman sa Quantum Shield. Pag BCO ka, 600 pesos na lang yung Dear Placenta, and yung Wow Glow naman isa 600 din, 120 naman yung Quantum Shield. So yun po yung price list natin from December moving forward. Okay, ngayon sa repeat purchase naman, so once member ka na, naubos yung products mo and gusto mong umulit mag purchase ka ulit, okay, so yun yung repeat purchase. So lahat po ng repeat purchase ng team mo, you will be earning a unilevel bonus. So that's 15 pesos per level. So that's 1%, no? That's for 10 levels. So from your first level hanggang 10th level mo, every time they purchase, meron kang 15 pesos dyan if nagbili sila ng placenta or Wow Glow. But if naging repeat purchase naman is yung Quantum Shield, 1 peso. Okay? Yan. The good thing dito, itong repeat purchase unilevel bonus, no, is 50% neto cash and 50% PV. So dito po yung papasok yung sa merchant programs natin. But yung merchant program, i-discuss ko po another video na lang, okay, para malimit natin. But dito yung cash is 50% mo, withdraw mo siya. Ang 50% nito is actually PV. So yung PV is 1:1 din, 1 PV is 1 peso. Yung PV hindi mo siya ma-withdraw. You can only use it to purchase products and services sa magiging merchant partners natin. So eventually lahat po pwede nang maging merchant partner. Okay? So pag may PV po tayo, pwede po tayong bumili sa kanila using yung PV natin. So any products or any service yan, no? So pwedeng pagkain, pwedeng things, no? Pwedeng service, no? So pwedeng restaurant, hotel, cellphones, gadgets, furnitures, kahit pag malaki na yan, pwede mong ibili ng sasakyan or kahit na ano, insurance, anything na product or service pwede nating malagay dyan. So that is a good thing, no? Isa yan sa magandang program natin with our merchant program natin. Okay? So yan po yung sa unilevel bonus. So tatlo yung income na yan. Yung direct referral, yung unilevel ng entry, at saka unilevel ng repeat purchase. So ito naman siya, yung barangay stockist natin. So yung stockist natin dalawa, isang barangay, isang city, no? So sa barangay stockist, 10,000 pesos lang yung promo natin dyan. Okay, yun po yung mga products. It's worth 15,000 plus. So lock in yan, one barangay, one stockist. Okay? So sa city stockist naman, of course, by the way, yung barangay stockist will serve sa members. Yung members yung siniserve nila. Yung mga members bibili sa mga barangay stockist natin. While yung city stockist, ang siniserve nila yung mga barangay stockist. Okay, so yung mga barangay stockist bibili sa city stockist natin. So yung city stockist is 100k. Okay, yung products niya is worth 157. Ang mga products yan, loose products. Okay, magki-cater po siya. So ang ano niya, i-cater niya is mga BMS or yung mga barangay mobile stockist. Diyan sa kanya bibili. So may overage din siya doon. No? So 1 CMS po tayo per city. Okay, lock-in po yan. And pag gusto mo yung province, isang province po is one province business center or BCO, that's 500,000, one per province. So itong province naman, ito yung nagsiserve sa mga lahat ng city stockist or city mobile stockist. So yung package ito is 500. It's yung products niya na laman is worth 787,000 plus products. Okay? So sulit naman siya, no? Parang bumili ka lang din ng products, but the good thing is yung repeat purchase nito kasi ko yung pagkukunan sa lahat ng mga city stockist. So yung city stockist naman pagkukunan ng mga barangay mobile stockist, yung barangay mobile stockist, yun po yung mag-cater sa mga members natin. Okay, so the more members, the more barangay stockist, the more city stockist, of course, kikita yung business center. So, ganun po yung relationship nila dyan. Okay? Yan. Sa mga gusto rin po, you could contact me for more info about our stockist and BCO programs. No? So, share ko lang to saglit before natin itapusin yung video. Okay, so very short lang yung wow trial pack natin na 1,500 pesos. Yan na yung ginawa natin ngayon kasi nga kompleto na siya yung tatlong products natin andyan. And ginawa natin siya ng program. Ito naman, this is a suggestive program lang ito. No? What if, no? Nag-refer ka lang ng 5. So it's a power of 5 duplication program, which I will discuss very shortly lang, para sa mga gustong mag-build ng community or gusto mag-build ng team dito. Okay, so again, this is hindi po ito i-must, no. Ito ay optional po lamang, no, if you only kung gusto mo lang po. Okay, so ano po tong incentive nito, no? So this is a simulation of or projection na wherein everyone will get or refer 5 directs each. So pag nag-refer ka, 'di ba, 500 pesos agad 'yon. So pag nag-refer ka ng 5, meron kang 2,500 pesos agad. So yung 2,500 mo, bawi na agad yung capital mo, which is 1,500. Okay? So diyan pa lang, yun talaga yung una natin na pag unang bugso. Bawi agad, no? So very sulit yung direct referral. Ngayon, syempre yung bago mo, yung mga directs mo, gusto din nila syempre makabawi. So you teach them to also refer. No, pag nag-refer din sila ng 5, kikita din sila ng 2,500 each, bawi din sila. Actually, 3 lang, bawi ka na eh. ROI ka na, 'di ba? But dito 5 lang para at least meron ka pang extra. So, pag yung direct mo kumita ng 2,500 each, ikaw naman, yung second level mo, kikita ka ng 50 pesos each doon. So, kahit na hindi na ako nag-refer, may 50 pesos ka pa rin. So, yung 5, kumuha ng tigli 5, so 25 packs. Sa second level mo, times 50 pesos, meron kang 1,250 doon. 'Di ba? Yun ang maganda, wala ka ng masyadong effort. Sa kanila namang effort yun kasi sila naman nag-refer, pero kikita ka pa rin. Ngayon, itong time frame na nakalagay nito ng timeline, actually this will depend on you and your team. So pwede yung per level or yung pagkuha mo ng 5 in 1 day kung kaya mo, 'di ba? If not in 5 days or 1 week, 'di ba? So pag 1 week 'yan, per level, so 8 weeks to, 2 months. Pag ginawa mo siyang per level is 15 days or isang kinsenas kasi sweldo, 'di ba? 15 days ang per level niyan. So ang mangyayari diyan, in 4 months time matatapos mo itong 8 levels. Okay, so hindi siya ganun ka layo, hindi siya ganun ka ano din kasi nga very affordable lang naman, it's only 1,500. Okay, so pag magtuloy to, papakita ko lang magkano kikitain mo. Yung 25 naman kumuha ng tigli 5, 125 on your third level, 50 pesos yung kita mo, 'di ba, sa uni-level natin. 6,250 yon. Okay, and then may kasama pa yung incentive na local resort or hotel overnight. Okay? Now ngayon, tuloy-tuloy yan, yung 125 kumuha ng tigli-5, 625 packs, 50 pesos ang kita mo dyan, 31,000. And kasama ka na sa Boracay Escapade. Okay, pag umabot po tayo ng mga 15 or 20, 25 na awardees, syempre pupunta pa tayo. Mahirap naman kung mag-isa ka lang, di ba? So, hintayin natin may group na 15 or at least 15 o 20. Okay? So, that's a Boracay Escapade. Libre na po yung lahat ng incentives. On top and above sa bonus muna cash. Okay? Ngayon, 5th level, that's 3,000 packs. 50 pesos, meron ka na 156,000. Ang laki ng tulong yan, di ba? Magsimula ka lang naman sa 1.5, no? And 5 directs lang din yung kinuha mo. Ngayon, hindi naman kailangan ng 5 directs talaga. Pwede naman marami, pwede din less. But I'm just showing you na what if everyone gets 5. Ito po yung pwedeng kitain natin. And sa 5 kasi, meron po tayong additional incentives. Kaya naging ganito. On 5th level, pag na-complete mo yung 3,000 na yan, 3,125, meron ka pang additional na brand new phone or laptop. Okay, so it's your choice yan. And kasama dyan, may bonus ka pa na 156,000. 6th level, 30 pesos na lang, di ba? Ang uni-level mo, pero 15,000 packs. Meron ka pa rin 468,000, halos kalahating milyon. And dito, pag na-reach mo yan, pag na-hit mo yan, may incentive ka na Grand Asia Luxury Cruise for 2. Okay, per dalawa na. No? So, pwede mo kasama partner mo or kung wala ka pang partner, di ba, maghanap ka ng partner mo. Okay, or it can be someone na yung parents mo or gusto mo. Okay, basta good for 2 po yan. Ngayon, sa 7th level naman, tuloy-tuloy yan naghanap ng tagli-5 each. Okay, 30 pesos ang kita mo dyan, meron ka ng 2.3 million. Diba? Maganda yan. It can actually just change na yung life natin ngayon. Diba? Plus, ang maganda dito, sa incentive, di ka nagagastos. May pera ka na, bibigyan ka pa ng fully paid brand new SUV. Okay? Wala ka nang babayaran yan. Fully paid na yan. On top and above sa makukuha mong cash. Okay? Then, pagtuloy yan sa 8th level, 390,000 packs na yan. Power of 5. 20 pesos ang earnings mo. So, meron ka ng 7.8 million dyan. Ang maganda, bibigyan ka pa ng fully paid house and lot. So, imagine mo guys, no? This might sound bizarre or very sa inyo. Kasi nga, malaki, di ba? Laki nang binibigay. May pera ka na. Total of 10.8 million. Okay? Ang incentives mo, meron ka ng mga travels. Meron ka ng gadget, di ba? Travel local and international. Binigyan ka na ng sasakyan, binigyan ka pa ng bahay at lupa, di ba? Saan ka pa diyan? Saka ano pang hahanapin mo diyan, no? And that's on top and above dun sa cash na makukuha mo. Okay? So hindi pa yan diyan mag-end kasi nga meron pang 9 and 10th level, hindi ko na lang sinama. At the same time, yung repeat purchase, yun yung level natin, magtuloy-tuloy pa yun. Malaking bagay din yun. Yun yung magiging monthly mo. Di ba? So napakalaking tulong nito. For just 1,500 pesos, naging healthy ka na. Okay? Yun pa sinasabi ko, naging healthy ka na, naging wealthy ka pa. Pag i-share natin. So, let's spread health and wealth, okay, awareness dun sa lahat for a very affordable entry package na 1,500 lang. Okay, so hope na nyo to. Pag if you have any questions or clarifications, no, just feel free to get back to the person that shared to you this video, no? Or you can also contact me yan kasi may mga group chats din naman tayo, no? Pag you have more questions or clarifications, pwede po kayong mag-ask doon. Okay? Yan. Ito po yung first batch. Of course, pag may first batch, may second batch, third batch, fourth batch, and so on. Okay, syempre gagawin natin ulit to. Ito yung sa first cruise namin na incentive. Okay? So, yun po siya guys. Just a very short presentation natin, yung bagong revamp natin na life program natin. So just share this video, okay, sa mga prospects nyo, so para makita po nila yung ano ba yung products natin, ano yung program natin, and ano yung potential natin. So I hope na may napulot po kayo sa presentation natin, and I see you on top. Okay, God bless everyone.